Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and engaging way to interact with your friends on Instagram by replying to their story highlights using emojis. This updated method makes your responses more expressive and personalized. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily navigate through the platform. Once you're in, look for the profile of the person whose story you want to respond to. Next, enter the profile that contains the story highlight. You can do this by either searching for their username or selecting their profile from your feed. Once you're on their profile page, take a moment to appreciate their content. Now, under their bio, find the story from the highlight section. Highlights are those circular icons just below the bio, showcasing stories that users want to keep visible. Tap on the highlight that catches your eye to view it. Once the highlight is open, it's time to express yourself. Click on the sending message bar at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to send a direct message in response to their story. Here's where the fun begins. Choose the emoji that best represents your reaction or feelings about their story. You can select from recently used emojis or browse through all available options. After you've chosen your emoji, hit Send. Your friend will receive your emoji response, adding a personal touch to your interaction. It's a simple yet effective way to engage with your friends and let them know you're enjoying their content. So there you have it. By following these steps, opening Instagram, entering the profile, finding the highlight, clicking on the message bar, and choosing your emoji, you can easily reply to stories in a fun and creative way. Remember, emojis can convey emotions that words sometimes can't, making your interactions more lively and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. Now go ahead and spread some emoji love on Instagram.